Hey guys, welcome back. So, I'm back at the river again, but I brought another friend. Today I brought my buddy Corey. We're gonna get the dredge set up. We're gonna run way up there where the rapids are, as I suspect that there's a better spot up there for all the heavies, and we're gonna see what kind of gold we can find. Let's go. And we're done. So that was a lot of fun today. We found a lot of lead, found an awesome spot to dredge. The gold we found has mercury on it again, so I'm gonna keep that gold separate. Had a lot of fun running around along this bedrock over here and pulling out lead by hand. That was a lot of fun. Me and Corey got about 3.5 hours of dredging and about an hour of sniping. And when we get home, I'll show you the gold. See you there. And we're home. Let's take a look at the gold. All right, guys, so here's the gold. Didn't get as much as we want, but I believe that this little piece right there is a piece of platinum. And I'll take a picture with my phone and put that up here. But look how much trash we got today. I got a baseball, various types of weights. This spoon was a rust ball stuck on the side of a rock and I broke it open and found this old fishing spoon. This was probably my favorite lead find of the day. 50 caliber. Went through a smooth bore, it looks like. And various other weights and little metal rings even. So, I know the dredge is catching all the heavies. We just need to get onto a spot with more gold. But I'd have to say I'm pretty happy so far. That's more gold than I had, and it's better than a pointy stick in your eye. I hope everybody has a great day. I hope you all have heavy pans. Make sure that you like the video and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to continue to put these videos out, and we're going to get this dredge on a better creek. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.
Deprivation therapy on the way down.
Totally.
Hey, people pay good money to float.